How to earn money online without investing a dime. All you need is your mobile phone and your time. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get paid for doing absolutely nothing from 7 different brand new apps you want to check out. Whether you are team Android or iOS, these apps are your ticket to effortlessly earnings, no sweat required. The best part is they work worldwide so everyone can cash in. So stay tuned to fill your pockets the easy way. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: these apps won't make you rich overnight. So it is essential to set realistic expectations when using money-making apps. They are not get-rich schemes, and you might not earn enough to make ends meet, but they can still be a good way to make some extra cash. If you don't know me, I am Bobe Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. Want to know how to use money-making apps without getting scammed or wasting your time? Like this video, smash that subscription button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single tip. 1. Freecash. Freecash lets you earn money by playing games, taking survey, watching videos, and more. The website says you can earn up to $399 per offer, though users earn an average of $27.9 daily. Once you sign up for a free account, you can browse a large selection of offers, choose one you like, complete the steps, get paid in Freecash coins. Note that 1,000 coins equals $1. From there, you can cash out your rewards via PayPal, various cryptocurrencies, gift cards, or in-game items on games like Valorant and League of Legends. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks offer a variety of ways to earn a little bit of cash. You can take online surveys, play games, watch videos, or shop online at over 7,000 retailers to earn rewards. Swagbucks is best for consistent surveys. The company estimates users can earn an extra $50 to $250 per month from taking surveys. Based on our first-hand experience using this app, it doesn't require too much concentration to earn Swagbucks, so it is easy to use the app regularly. Each tax pays differently, but you can earn about $0.5 to $1.5 for short-form surveys, which typically only takes a few minutes to complete, and asks you to give your feedback on an advertising campaign or report on brands you are aware of. You can also earn $0.06 for every $1 spent with participating retailers. You typically use coupons or direct deals through the Swagbucks app or earn cash backs from retailers like Amazon or Home Depot. Swagbucks are worth about $0.1 each, so 100 Swagbucks equates to $1. Once you have at least $1 worth of Swagbucks, you can cash out for an Amazon gift card. You must have at least $5 to transfer the money to PayPal. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 3. Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback app that allows you to earn rewards for completing everyday purchases. The company partners with over 3,500 major retailers, restaurants, and grocery stores, including Target, Walmart, Lowe's Home Improvement, Nike, and Sam's Club. Rakuten is best for straightforward cashback. Rakuten works by selecting the store you want to shop at and then by completing the purchases within the app. Each purchase you make earns you a percentage of price as a cashback reward, typically between 2 and 10% depending on the retailer, though some offer temporary deals that push the rate higher. You also have the option to link a credit card or debit card for in-store purchases. Just make sure to activate offers within the app before you check out. The amount of cash you can earn depends on the retailer and the amount you spend. Rakuten says the average user earned about $90 in 2023. You must have at least $5 in your account to cash out. Rakuten completes payment on a specific date every 3 months and can be automatically received via check or PayPal. Upcoming payment dates include May 15, August 15, and November 15. On average, users earn $90.16 cashback last year. The mobile app has a negative review on Google Play Store with a total score of 3.7 out of 5 stars. On the App Store, however, it received 4.8 out of 5 stars. The Android app has more than 71,000 reviewers, while the iOS app has more than 359,000 reviewers. 4. Acorns. Acorns make it easy to save and invest with little or no efforts. The app automatically rounds up purchases you make from linked accounts, debit and credit cards to the next dollar. Then Acorns invests the spare change in a diversified portfolio of professionally managed exchange trade funds. Acorns also offer a browser extension called Earn that helps you earn money when you shop online. 5. Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a money management and budgeting app that lets you see all your financial accounts in one place, create budgets, automate your savings, and monitor your credit score so you can save more, spend less, and get on track. The app is free, but you will pay $3 to $12 per month for premium services, including subscription cancellation, chatting with a money expert, and bill negotiation. 6. Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback app that allows you to earn money with shopping. What sets the app apart from similar companies is the multiple way to earn cash. You can submit a receipt for in-store shopping, install the browser extension, or link your customer loyalty accounts at certain retailers. Ibotta is best for rewarding in-person shopping. Cashback apps are a way to earn money for buying items you were already planning on purchasing, but it can be challenging to earn rewards if you are an in-person shopper. Ibotta fixes that by allowing users to upload receipts up to 7 days after completing an in-store purchase. Reward appears within 24 hours. Any cash you earn with Ibotta depends on the retailer, the items you buy, and what special offers are open. Once you reach $20 in earnings, you can withdraw to PayPal or your bank account with direct deposit. You can also use your earnings to buy gift cards, but you usually must have at least $25 in your Ibotta account. According to the company, the average user earns $256 cashback every year. 7. Survey Junkie. With Survey Junkie, you can make money in 2 ways: taking surveys or sharing data. While taking surveys requires active participation and effort, data sharing is a passive earning process. That is because to earn money, you don't need to do anything else once you allow the company to access your browsing history. Survey Junkie is best for passive income. Once you agree to partake in Survey Junkie's solve to earn data sharing program, you automatically earn cash converting points every month, up to 1,350 points per year. That nets you a total of $13.5. However, being part of this program gives you access to exclusive surveys, helping you potentially earn more. Being able to take surveys and share your data to earn cash sets the company apart from other apps, since most only allow one or the other. You must have at least 500 points, which is equivalent to $5 in order to cash out. You can redeem points for cash through PayPal or dollar or buy gift cards. The company states you will not get rich from Survey Junkie, but it's possible to earn extra spending money each month. Making money apps can be an excellent way to supplement your income while enjoying the flexibility of setting your own schedule. Keep in mind that using certain apps together can boost your earning potentials. If you want to make money online without getting scammed or wasting your time, I recommend you watch this video next. Like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video from this channel, and see you in the next video.